Hi everyone and welcome to vlogtober. So it is 6:15 right now and I got my nails done, just like a nude, because I need some shorter nails because I'm gonna start doing building inspections soon, because this is part of my business. And by the way, if any of you would be interested in a video about how to create your business, just please leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to do that. And now I'm going to the gym, so see you there. So it's currently 8 o'clock and I got back from the gym, and I tried to film but I couldn't film a lot because I was shy. It made me realize that I'm getting more confident in front of the camera. So I just wanted to say that it's normal that when you do something for the first time, like the first time I went to the gym, I looked lost. I looked like I didn't know what I was doing. But after the third time, I got way more comfortable. And yeah, you just have to get out of your comfort zone. Like, if you don't want to, don't do it, but just know that it's gonna bring you so much good. The more you do something, the better you get at it, because my first vlogs, it was taking me like 20 hours to edit it, and now I'm getting much better. And I don't know, it doesn't take me as long. Yes, it takes me some time, but yeah, I'm getting better at it. Since I was 16, 17 years old, I wanted to go to the gym, but I just never had done it. So I'm just proud. I feel like I'm achieving, my 30s are approaching, and I feel like I'm achieving all the things I wanted to do as a child that I couldn't do. I wanted to take some singing lessons when I was a kid, because I love to sing, and I was annoying everybody in the house because I kept singing and singing and singing. But I was always told to choose another activity. I just feel like nobody believed I could do something, and nobody believed in my dreams. And right now I believe in my dreams so much that I'm not gonna let anything or anybody get in between me and my dreams and what I want to do. And I'm doing everything I dreamed of, and you can too. And if it's not right now, it might be later. It's never too late. What can I say? The gym destroyed me, and I'm gonna go to sleep. Okay, bye.